Hello. In this video I will examine the zone indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator displays support and resistance zones on the chart based on the time frame we specify in the input. It displays support zones in green and resistance zones in red. Let's go through the settings of this indicator together. The first option in the setting.
Learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
Is the time frame in which we want to have the support and resistance zones, which we can select from the available options. The next option is the color of the resistance zones, which we can specify. The color of the support zones, which we can specify. We can specify the color of the font that is written here next to these zones, as well as its font size. If this option is set to true, it draws these zones and boxes as a background, making them unselectable. But if it is false, we can select them. The next option is the width of the lines used to draw these boxes. And the next option is the style of the lines that these boxes have. If it is 0, it is solid, and if it is 1, it is dotted. We can also try other styles. The next option is the shift, which corresponds to the number of candles, and we can set any number to shift by that many candles. This shifts the area to the right. Currently it is set to 10. And for example, if we set this number to 20, it will extend the area by 10 more candles. Here, we also have the settings related to the awesome oscillator, which is used in calculating these areas of the indicator. We can specify the inputs here, such as the period of the first moving average, the period of the second moving average. We can specify the calculation method for the moving averages, and the price on which the calculations are performed here. The last option is the number of candles that it goes back on the chart to perform these calculations and identify these areas. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.